Hello my beautiful stars. So we're first going to start by making this decor pillow, and I found this Southwestern print fabric at the bins, the Goodwill outlet. So then you'll just need some fabric scissors, a glue gun or fabric glue, and of course turn on your favorite jams. For me it's Hilary Duff. You're going to start by kind of creating a hem with the fabric so that no rough sides are showing, and then leave one side open. And then I decided to just like really jam out and sing to this Hilary Duff, and I actually think I was listening to Jonas Brothers at this point. But yeah, then you're going to take fiberfill and just start stuffing the pillow. And this was at Joann's for like $7 on sale. The stuff is really expensive, so if you can thrift this too, I would highly recommend doing that. I actually ended up making a TikTok on this, and this is how it turned out. My next little upcycle will be this little like bedside table slash like closet organizer. So all I took was a locker shelf and black spray paint and just painted over the pink. It was also like a little bumped up from when I used it in middle school, but this is how it turned out. Next, I decided to upcycle this camelback that I already had and make it super VSCO. And I bought these stickers that are water resistant from Mercari in a huge lot, and I just stuck them on, picked out the ones that I wanted and stuck them on the bottle. And as you'll see from my face in the upcoming clips, the bite valve was pretty disgusting, and I tried to clean it as well as I could, but those camelback valves can get kind of nasty. So I ended up actually purchasing some new bite valves and new straws so that I could have a like overall really nice clean camelback with its new little stickers. So as you can see here, I'm just picking out the ones that I wanted, and this pack was like different national parks like Yellowstone and Glacier Park, and then locations like London, which I'm hopefully going to London this winter, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna throw a London sticker on here. So yeah, I just threw on some that just represented me, but there was some really cute ones, so I'll try and remember to link this Mercari user in the link below, and then you guys can buy this pack as well. After placing all my stickers on the water bottle, this is how it turned out, as you saw in the beginning clip, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. And I did get new bite valves and a straw and stuff so that it's all fresh and clean and ready for me to use. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so very much, and just remember to shine bright. I hope that this also inspired you to try and upcycle some things that you may already own, or go to the thrift store and try out something new. Alright, remember to shine bright, you all. I love you. Bye.